Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine and I hope you're enjoying my past videos. So today we are going to learn how we can use if and switch condition in our Power BI in a DAX. So I hope you guys have already used if function or a switch function in Excel. So today we're going to see how we can implement that same thing into the Power BI. So without wasting much time, so let's just click on a practical part. So we have a sample data here. This is kind of sales data which you can see. Okay, and the this company work in multiple cities or states. Okay, so my manager want to know, and we also have one column that is expenses. Okay, this is a gross profit what they are making, and this is the expenses what they're paying. So my boss want to know what is a net profit or how much is the expensive we are paying in our gross profit. So for that he want to know only the Mumbai region. Okay, you don't want to know all the region. So let's see how we can use how you can find out the expenses for only Mumbai, that is a 12% of total gross profit. So for that I will use a if function. So we'll just click on new column. So instead you can take a new measure, but I will use a new column here. So right now we are only considering Mumbai itself. We are not taking any other cities. Okay. So once we get a column, I will just give a name like total expense. Let me just use short form. So only for use, it is only we need to see for the Mumbai. Okay. So we will use if function. Or sorry, if then it is asking the logic test. The logic test is what exactly, from where exactly you're taking data. So I will take from location, okay, which is equal to Mumbai. So this is our logic test, and it's saying what will be the result if the value is true. So what do you want? 12% of a gross profit. So I will take a gross profit, multiply by into 12. Okay, that's how we can get a percentage. You can use any other way if you know. And if the condition is false, if it is not Mumbai, so I will just give as 0. Okay, so as a time being, and I will hit a enter. So let's see uh, what is the end result we are going to get here. Yeah, so if you see guys, it is only capturing the Mumbai. Okay, so at 12% of something like 5,56,336, it is like 66 some change. Okay, so it is 6,000, it is the total overall expenses. And if you want to get a like a final net profit, you can just minus total expenses to gross profit. So that's how we can do. So now we have only done for Mumbai. Okay, but my boss want to know for all the cities. Okay, so how you gonna use that? See guys, you can use if function. Okay, but you need to put and again you need to take a if function and again, so it will be like a very huge uh, the, the condition. So instead of that, we'll use a switch. Okay, so switch will only switch we can use when we have a multiple line items. Okay, and when we have multiple conditions, so that time the switch will play a major role. So I will show you how we can use a switch. Okay, so we'll use the same column. Okay, instead of if, I will write switch. Okay, it is asking you the expression. Okay, what is expression, from where you want to take the data. So it's a location, right? So I will type as location, comma. In this case we don't need to give any is equal to sign or whatever it is. We can directly assign the value for that. So what is the first value? That is Mumbai. So Mumbai, if it is Mumbai, then the same formula which you have used earlier, gross profit into dot 12. So this is our one condition. Then the second value, so is it's getting a highlighted second value. Second value is Bangalore. Make sure the spelling is correct and it need to be a case sensitive. If the spelling is not correct, it will not give you the answer. So the Bangalore is profit, sorry, Bangalore is profit, gross profit into dot 11. Okay, let me just copy this because we will use this again and again. So this is the second value. Third one is Goa. I will page the same, and 8% means we can take like 0.8 0.008. Okay, then the third will be, fourth will be our Chennai will have 13%. Okay, so we'll just make it 13. Fourth one, fifth one, sorry, it's Jaipur, the pink city of India. Then it's 15%. Then finally we have Kolkata. Kolkata will be 10%. So once we finish all the condition, we need to close a bracket. That means it's a else condition, else bracket. Okay, so I'll hit enter. I'll wait for the end result. I hope it gives me a correct number. So the beauty of switch is you don't need to give a statement again and again. You just need to assign once and you can give your conditions. So see guys, you got all the expenses here based on the cities. Okay, and maybe I'll just make it this as 0 because the decimal doesn't look good. So let me see if it's working on it. So the best part is you don't need to assign again and again the condition, just once. Okay, location Mumbai. So the Powerbi the DAX formula will take automatically. Okay, so this is the best part. So if you're using if condition, then you need to assign again and again. Okay, that will be like huge. So this is the best features which I use most frequently in my job. Okay, so guys, this is one thing where we are using the arithmetic function like multiplication. Okay, in the same way we can also use a text function in a switch function. So let me just take example. Okay, so in this data, the we forgot to add what are the items we are selling. Okay, so for example, in Mumbai and Goa. Okay, let me just add a new column here first of all. For example, in Mumbai and Goa we are selling furniture. Okay, and apart from that, other cities we are selling like electronics. So we'll see how we're gonna work on that. See guys, here you can use a if statement, but we have multiple condition. So we'll use a switch with a text function. So I'll just give items here. Okay, just for you to understand. Again, the switch, the conditional location. Okay, first one, Mumbai. Mumbai is selling, again text function means double quote, for nature, close it. Again, Goa is also selling furniture, and the rest of cities are selling the electronics. So I will see, let me see what will be the end results here. So electronics we are using in else. Okay, else means apart from Mumbai and Goa, that will be applicable in everywhere. Okay, you see guys, Mumbai and Goa is selling furniture. Rest all the cities are selling electronics. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what is the logic behind this, okay, and how to use that. Okay, and one disadvantage in switch is that you cannot use two different figures, like you cannot use a differentiate between two, like more than or less than, greater than, something like that. That you can use in if function only. Okay, that's a major disadvantage. But anyway, this switch function is very useful when you have a huge data and when you need to categorize some things. Okay, so I hope guys you understood the data, and you can you can create your own set of data, and you can try to practice this. And I hope you enjoyed this, and hope you guys see you in next video. Until then, you can subscribe, comment, and just let me know what kind of text comment or anything you want to see. I will work on that. So